My Bosch tumble dryer is making a grinding noise when turning. What could it be? I have checked the drum for ant-loose objects.
Can you guesstimate how old your Bosch is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
It's 2 years old, model B74100.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Maybe, depends on how tricky it will be.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Other than the noise, which is quite loud, it works fine. Wondered if it might be an object that has managed to get stuck somewhere.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and we'll post back with your reply momentarily.
Okay. I'll wait for you to reply with advice.
There's a few things in there that can cause a noise when the drum turns. You have the drum wheels on the front of the drum, the motor, the pulley wheel on the motor, or the drum support at the back. If you are looking at fixing this yourself, then you need to unplug the dryer and remove the top and the right-hand side panel. From there you will see the motor at the bottom with the pulley wheel on it, and also the drum wheels at the front as well. Carefully set it going and watch it as it's running, and if one of them is the fault, you will see and hear the noise from it. Then just replace whatever it is. But if they are fine, then access the back of the dryer and remove the rear cover, and there you will see the drum shaft pin in the middle there. See if this is worn as well. So check them if you can. As for a noise fault, it will be one of them that's at fault here, I'm afraid.
Okay, thanks for the advice. We'll check these.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.